Welcome to RC Demolition Derby!
Nice! Yes, you guys, we are back with another RC car demolition derby. This time, we have race cars and police cars here that are RC. And of course, we have the giant grave digger here that we are gonna use to crush the cars.
Yeah!
The rules are, you guys, you have to do everything you can to crush these two cars. Are you guys ready to do some crushing? All right, ready, set, go. Oh, no. He almost already crushed it right off the bat. Going to the danger zone. Oh, he went through. He made it through. Axel made it through the danger zone. Whoa. It crushed it already! Oh, it already crushed. Is it okay? I think the tire just got broken off. Let's fix it. Reverse! Go, go, go! Oh, what? He made it all the way under the tires! All right, bro, does it work? It works! Oh, look out! Axel's car is back in the game! Oh, that was so close! Oh, did you see that? Yes! Oh! Oh! Did he get it? Oh, we got Axel and it broke off. All right, let's see. It still works. One wheel broke off of Axel's car and it's still driving around. Oh, man. Is it a goner? I think it is. All right. It still works! These are pretty tough! Oh, another danger zone! How many danger zones do you have so far?
5.
What? Look out! Oh! It's still going! Okay. Oh, he cleared it again! Man, you're good at this. Oh! Oh, look out, look out! Oh! Wow! Oh, the wheel broke off. Now the contest is to see who can get their car crushed first. Whoever can get their car crushed to where it doesn't work anymore first wins, okay? Oh, he hit both of them. It still works. What about yours? Axel's wheels are off. Does it still go? If it rides, it works. No, it's moving a little bit. All right, you guys, we're gonna call Axel's RC car toast. So now Axel gets to ride, and he gets to use his car. There he goes. Oh, ho, ho, ho. It's still going. Oh, it's still going along. Get it, Axel, get it! Squash it! Look out, look out! Oh. Hey. Look out, look out! It's still working! the wheel! Oh! Oh! Will it work? It worked. Oh! He lost the wheel! Oh, the whole wheel got, it's still working! Oh, there it goes! It's getting crushed! It's getting crushed! Does it work? Oh my gosh, look, it burned the rubber. See if it works. Look out, police car! Uh-oh. It lost one rear tire.
That thing popped out of the wheel!
Oh my gosh, the rim popped off the wheel. It finally stopped. All right, you guys, the police car quit. We have one car left. Oh, the police car quit. Oh. This is the last car standing. Oh, I got it. Is it finally broken? It doesn't work?
It doesn't work.
It's finally broken. This was the last car standing, though.
I win.
Well, I don't know about that because you started later than them. I think that they all did a pretty good job. They all lasted a good while. All right, you guys, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, go. He's riding a big dog. All right, well, you guys get out. Use your imaginations to find creative ways to live your life and love everyone around you. No matter what you have, no matter where you are, you can have fun just like you see us doing every day if you just use your imagination. Now remember, don't crush your toys. We're doing this for your entertainment only because this is our business. We are entertainers. Don't ever crush your toys under your Power Wheels or cars or anything like that.